Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change user folder name in Windows 11. You will enter the command netplwiz in the search box. Click on Run command. In the pop-up window, select the user to modify and then open the option Properties. Here, edit the username field with the new name. If you wish, you can enter the full name. Click on Apply and OK to see the new account name. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.